This week we're looking at the Chek Press, a brilliant exercise for conditioning the shoulder, both as a strength exercise but also on the way back from shoulder injuries, to make sure that the shoulder blade moves around the rib cage effectively, creating a stable shoulder. Keeping the elbows inside of the shoulder is one of the key points with this exercise, but it's much more difficult to do than you might at first think. So let's have a look at some teaching points to get it just right. Start with the elbows at 90 degrees and press the dumbbells overhead, keeping the chest tall while you do this. At the top, bring the elbows together as if you were closing a book. Lower the dumbbells to the height of the shoulder, but keep the elbows inside the shoulder all the way down. If your forearms are forming a triangular shape, you've lost good form. If your flexibility is sufficient and you find the base movement quite easy, then you can try the progression, which is the reverse Chek Press. I would build up to 3 sets of 12 reps with the Chek Press before doing the reverse Chek Press. Keep the elbows inside the shoulders all the way up, which is very challenging, but fantastic for stabilizing the shoulder, which is really commonly quite weak, particularly in this position. Thanks a lot for watching the Chek Press video this week. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you again soon.